In this video, I will be showing you how to completely turn off Microsoft Copilot on your Windows computer. First, I move my cursor all the way down to the bottom of my screen, and I click on the Windows Start button to bring up the main menu. Next, I click right into the search bar at the very top, and I type in the word Settings. From the best match search results that appear, I click directly on the Settings app to open it up. Once the main settings window finishes loading and appears on screen, I navigate over to the left sidebar menu, and I click on the Apps category. Now, looking at the Apps menu on the right side, I scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list, and I click on Startup. This specific page opens up a helpful list of all the applications that are currently configured to automatically start up whenever I log into my computer. I take a moment to carefully scroll down this list so I can locate the Copilot app. Once I find it there in the list, I click the toggle switch on the far right side, changing its status from on to off. This ensures it won't run in the background when I boot up. Now, to make sure it is fully out of the way, I also want to hide the Copilot icon from my taskbar. So, I head right back over to that left sidebar menu, and this time around, I click on Personalization. I gently scroll down through the personalization settings list, and I click on the Taskbar option. Inside the Taskbar settings menu, I scroll down just a little bit, and I click on Other System Tray Icons to expand that specific section. This drops down to give me a full list of all the icons that can appear in my system tray down at the bottom right of the screen. I scroll down through these tray options until I spot Copilot in the list. Then, I simply click the toggle switch right next to it to turn it off, which completely removes the Copilot icon from the corner of my screen for a much cleaner look. Finally, I move my cursor all the way up to the top right corner and click the X to close out of the settings window. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.